Good day to each of you. So the application that I will use for teaching mathematics is the Office Suite application. So let's proceed. So Office Suite had a function for creating documents, spreadsheet, or presentation, or you may scan the documents. But today we will create a presentation for our topic. So let's start. From here, since I have prepared lesson for the topic, which is the algebraic expression, so I may choose to file here in my file. So just open the file here and choose the prepared lesson for your teaching. So since I have here in this presentation, MERSAM and presentation, so just click here to lessen your time or to fast it. So this is the lesson that I was prepared. So the lesson is all about the algebraic expression. So I did not partake or I did not conclude some of the parts of algebraic. I choose only the 3.1 and 3.2 lesson from algebraic expression. So let's start. So by the way, algebraic expression, algebra makes use of these symbols and expressions so that the word phrases can be translated into number phrases and number phrases into word problem. Then mathematicians make use an algebraic expression and formulas in working out complicated problems encountered in daily life as well as in the modern world. So algebraic expression is one of the important from our daily lives. For example, we will buy in store. So our money is 50 peso, worth of 50 peso, and we bought 31 peso, worth of 31 peso. So if we want to know our change, so just minus the missing, or just minus the amount, your money, and the expense money that you use to vote that food or something things from the store. So let's say the cost is 31, so 50 minus 31, so you have how much? You have 19 peso remain. So that is algebraic expression. But in reality, algebraic expression has three parts, which is there are variables, constant, and coefficient. So let's proceed to our topic. This graphic is connected for the daily lives where algebraic expression is very useful, like in farming, for farming, fishing, or anything that connected for our economics. So let's proceed from 3.1. or the constant variables and algebraic expression. So you are familiar with arithmetic statement, which is the 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So that is the arithmetic statement. There are times, however, when expressions have missing terms which are represented by a blank, a circle, a box, or simply by x or y, like blank plus blank is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 5, so something like that. So the missing term is changed by line, circle, box, or letters. In the last expression, x and y may take values from the set of integers that make the statement true. For this example, we have here from the last statement earlier here. So x plus y is equal to 5. So many ways we can take the answer or coefficient of 5. So let's start. For example, we substitute the x and y from any number that correspond, or we will get the answer of 5. So here the example below. So example 1 is 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we can get it from the positive numbers and also from the negative numbers, like negative 4 plus 9 is equal to 5. Since negative 4 is less than positive 9, so we will get the sign of the positive or the 9 number, which is the positive. So the remaining number here, if we minus the negative 4 plus 9 is equal to 5. So the same process from these examples. There is an infinite number of values that can take the place of x and y. These letters are called variables, and the number 5, which remain unchanged, is called constant. So there's an error here, we can change it. So that's it. So like what I said earlier, so let's proceed to the next. Consider the expression of 4x squared plus 3y plus 2. So the number of the values 4, 3, and 2 are called constant. So the 4, the 3, the 2 are called constant. Then the letter x and y are called variables. So always remember that variables are symbols or letters that may take one or more than one value. Then the constants are the numbers that have fixed values. Then a term is a number, a variable, or a product or a quotient of the numbers and variables. Terms are separated by the symbols positive and negative. The product of 4x squared means 4 times x is equal to 4x squared. It can be written as 4 that is represent a multiplication, So 4 times x, or this parenthesis 4 times x, or even this 4 times x squared is equal to 4x squared. A dot or the parenthesis midway between constant and variables, or a parenthesis to separate constant and variables into multiplication sign used to avoid confusion. So we will use this parenthesis or dot to separate the variables from the constant, to avoid confusion on solving the problem. So remember, an algebraic expression is an expression that is made up of one or more terms. So from this exercise, which is identify the constant and variable in each expression. So number 1, what is the expression? So that's all. I hope you learn from these lessons or discussions, and you may use it from your daily lives. That's all. Thank you.